おとしもの A word you often hear at stations, shops, and police boxes. 落とし物、駅やお店、交番でよく使う言葉だよ。It is used as a noun. The word 落とし物 literally means an item that was dropped and became separated from its owner, a lost or misplaced thing. 持ち主から離れてしまった品や物を指す言葉だよ。The first kanji means fall or drop. You see it in 落ちる and 落下. It feels like something moving downward or being let go. Think of leaves coming down in autumn. The second kanji means thing or object. You meet it in 食べ物 and 物語. It points to both physical things and abstract ideas. It appears everywhere in daily words. I'm looking for a lost item. 落とし物を探しています。落とし物を探しています。I lost something at the station. 駅で落とし物をしました。駅で落とし物をしました。Is this lost item yours? この落とし物はあなたのですか？この落とし物はあなたのですか？ I took the lost item to the police station. 落とし物を交番に届けました。落とし物を交番に届けました。The most common synonyms of the word are 忘れ物 and 遺失物。忘れ物 is something you forgot somewhere, often at school or on a train. 遺失物 is a formal or legal term for a lost article. Both overlap with 落とし物 as items that are not with their owner. The most common antonyms of the word are 拾得物 and 所持品, focuses on an item after someone has found and turned it in. 所持品 are items currently in your possession. These differ from 落とし物, which is the item that has been lost or dropped.